Hello, welcome back to my presents. So today I'm going to have a quick look around the hotel itself. So I am currently around where the chow pool is first. Well, we won't be seeing that because it's closed. I'll show you what's going on there. Let's get down these stairs. They're currently doing work. Might be able to have a little sneak. Yeah, it's currently all destroyed out there. His work is there, so we're not going to do it. They have recently just put up that new sign that's over there as well. It says Dunas Water Park. Perfect. Right, so this is a C block as well. So I think these A, B and C. Right, I remember what the map shows you. But we're in C block. There is the lifts. In C block as well, you also get the toilets that everyone uses from the pool. This is the smoking area, which isn't the best, especially when you've got kids. You have to come up to the room, but what can you do? We're quite lucky as well, we do get the pool bar straight away here, which is super. So there's A, B, C and D block. I've just noticed the numbers on them doors there, that's D. So, as well as that is, the pool is split. It's on here. There's a big pool there. And then there's a little pool just there. It is connected just by like a slide sort of thing. Which is nice. Oh look, we've got the sunbed warriors. Look, they're waiting for their sunbeds. Today we've got England versus Croatia in Liverpool Pizza Sports Bar. haven't been in yet, so I don't know what it's like. I did say there's a gym in here. That's just a lift. I don't know where a gym is, but apparently there's a gym. Some more toilets. And if you want to watch the World Cup whilst you're here, they have been playing it on that screen there in the reception area. And there's an arcade as well. And there's a shop there as well, but we're not going to walk in there because she's cleaning. We've got the restaurant, the reception. That concludes it for today's video, where we've had a little walk around the Maspalomas by Dunas. So I'll let you know what we think about the hotel in a full review coming up very soon. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.